Hi guys, today we will talk about how to import products on Shopify. This process is really simple and easy. Importing products is very simple. If you have a list of your product means you have more than a single product, then you can import that all easily. Simply create a CSV file, because in Shopify, you have to create a CSV file. In the CSV file, you have to manage each and single thing properly means like the price, quantity, and much more. So if you have everything ready, then what you have to do, simply head over to your store and sign in your account, and then take a look on the left side. You will see multiple options like home orders and product. From here, you have to select the option products. Once you will select the option products here, you will see two options: add product and import product. If you have a single product means you don't have a CSV file and you just want to import a single product, then this option will be valid. Click on it, and here write each and single thing. Here you have the right description, media, and much more. But if you have more than a single product and want to add all in a single click, then click on Import. Once, you will click on the option Import. Here you can see the option of file, and also you can download a sample of CSV. So you can see what is basically a CSV and how can you create it. But I have a sample, so I will add my file. Now I will upload my file. And here you can see is now uploaded. Now I am typing on the option upload and preview. Here you can see my file list has been uploaded. If I scroll down, you can see the variant, weight, and price. This one is variant, and this one is weight, and this one is the price. So the last thing I have to do is I need to click on import products. Now it's importing, and it will take a while. And once the importing will be done, your all products will be added to your Shopify store. Now you can see the product has been imported. Currently, I have 0 in stock, and it was the way by which you can import products on Shopify.